If you want to add code into Lucidchart quickly and cleanly, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to write code in Lucidchart so you can place code snippets right inside your diagram, document, or workflow. This is super useful if you're building technical documentation, mapping processes, or creating visuals for development teams. And before we jump in, if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your document in Lucidchart. Once your file is open, take a look at the primary toolbar on the far left side of the screen. This is where Lucidchart keeps a lot of the basic shapes and tools you can add to your canvas. Now, in the standard shape box, look for the code block option. You'll know it by the icon. This is the tool you need when you want to insert code into your Lucidchart document. Once you find it, click on it or simply drag it onto your canvas, depending on how you prefer to work. After you place the code block on the page, you'll see a box appear on your canvas. This box is designed for code formatting, so it gives you a cleaner way to display text that looks like code. Now comes the important part. Double-click inside the box to activate it. Once it's active, you can type your code directly into the box or paste in an existing snippet from another source. This makes it really easy to show examples like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, or any other text-based code you want to display in your diagram. If your code is long, you can still use the code block to organize it visually and keep your document readable. If needed, you can also move the code block around your canvas just like any other shape in Lucidchart. That means you can position it next to notes, arrows, workflow steps, or other diagram elements to make your project easier to understand. You can also resize it to fit more content or make it look cleaner in your layout. A great tip is to keep your code short and focused if you're using Lucidchart for presentation or documentation. That way, your audience can quickly understand the example without getting overwhelmed. If you need to explain the code, place text callouts or labels nearby so your diagram stays clear and professional. So to recap, the process is simple. Open your Lucidchart document, go to the primary toolbar, find the code block in the standard shape box, click or drag the icon onto the canvas, and then double-click inside to type or paste your code snippet. That's all it takes to write code in Lucidchart. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.